गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन, सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार। कैसे हो आप लोग? हाउ आर यू एवरीवन? होप you all are fine and good. So in previous session we are seeing this lesson part 3 Murkh Raja explanation. Okay, so today also we are going to continue this lesson Murkh Raja. Okay children, Murkh Raja means the foolish king. So first we'll do one quick recap of this story and then next we'll continue the lesson. Okay, so come, first we'll do the recap of this story Murkh Raja. So long time ago there was a king. He made in his kingdom that the man who proves to be the biggest liar will be given a 1,000 rupees reward and royal honor. So the king's friends and those who knows about this announcement, they all lied a lot, but the king did not like any of his lies. Liars came from far away places and tried to participate in the lying competition. So at the time, one of the liar came forward and said, Shriman Ji, which means respected sir. Once I went to the kingdom of rats in the forest. There I saw elephant-sized rats. They welcomed me very much and came to drop me to my house the next day. So the first liar was told this lie. After that, another liar came forward and said, Shrimanji, which means respected sir, a mosquito made me sit on its back and flew in the sky and took me to the whole kingdom. So my marriage was conducted with the daughter of the king of the mosquitoes, who was actually an angel. Like that, the second man, he came and he said the lie. So all hearing all these things, the king was said, absolutely rubbish all these things. Your lie has no merit. And then the king told like that. So at the time, the third liar came forward and said, Sir, I have seen a man who has 10 heads. So at the time the king was said, it is not a big deal. Ravana also has 10 heads. Like that the king said to the third liar. So now the turn came to the fourth liar. So fourth liar said at the time, I have such a thing. I have seen a pigeon which had twisted by holding a buffalo in its paws. So he kept the buffalo in his nest. Later both of them got married and became husband and wife. Is it possible? No. At the time the king hearing listening all these lies, no, so he got irritated and he started shouting and he said, no one is there to lie properly in this kingdom. Like that the king, he got angry and said. So now we'll continue the story. So so from here to ab. So here अब पांचवा झूठा आगे आ गया और बोला. Now the fifth liar came forward. पांचवा means fifth. Okay, झूठा means liar. So he came forward and said, श्रीमान जी, एक बार मैंने दो आदमियों को आपस में बातें करते हुए सुना. So he said, Sir, once I heard two men were talking to each other. In that, one of them was saying that there are, so like that he started. So two members, which means two peoples, दो आदमी हैं, two men are talking with each other. At the time I heard. What he was heard? उनमें से एक कह रहा था कि फरीदाबाद में तरबूज के आकार के ओले पड़े हैं. So in that one of them was saying that there are watermelon sized hailstones are fallen down in Faridabad. Like that one man, he is telling to the other man. So the conversation is happening. हाँ, दूसरे ने कहा, हाँ, तरबूज के आकार के ओले पड़ना संभव है. At the time the second one, the other, He said, yes, yes. Is it possible to get the hail that size of a watermelon? Like that he said. So तभी वहां एक तीसरा आदमी आया और बोला, अंग्रेजी सेना ने आक्रमण कर दिया है. At the time the third man came there and said, there the British army has attacked. We should be ready to face it. So they are going to attack. So we have to face that thing. Like that the third man he said, and he said, हमें उसका सामना करने के लिए तैयार हो जाना चाहिए. We have to get ready to attack. Like that the third man he came and he said. ये सुनकर राजा मुस्कुराया और बोला. So hearing this the king was smiled and said, ये संभव है. ये संभव है. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Like that king was said. ये कोई झूठ नहीं है. This is not a lie, because it can be possible. The hills like as a watermelon size also it can fall. Okay, so it is possible only. So in this there is no lie. Like that the king was said. ये सुनकर मुझे लगता है कि मेरे राज्य में हर व्यक्ति सच बोलता है. So I feel that every person in my kingdom speaks the truth. Like that the king was told. राजा के साथ बैठी रानी ने भी मुस्कुराते हुए राजा की हाँ में हाँ मिला दी. At the time the queen sitting with the king, she also smiled and said yes. Like SS, like that she was said to the king. Yes, it is true. In our kingdom nobody are there to saying the lie properly. Like that she was also smiled and said. उसी समय शेख चिल्ली आगे आया और बोला. At the same time the Sheikh Chilli he came forward and said, ये राजा मूर्खों का भी मूर्ख है. So this king he should be this king is also a fool of the fools. Like that fool of the fools. Like that the Sheikh Chilli said. इसे राजगद्दी से उतार देना चाहिए. He should be removed from the throne. Like that the Sheikh Chilli was said to that king. So by hearing these words the king he will get angry or not? Yes, he will get angry. Now we'll see the story. ये सुनकर राजा को शेख चिल्ली पर क्रोध आ गया. So hearing this the king he got very much angry on the Sheikh Chilli. उसने अपने सैनिकों को आदेश दिया कि शेख चिल्ली को पकड़ लो और इसका सिर धड़ से अलग कर दो. So at the time the king when he was heard these words of the Sheikh Chilli he got very much angry on that Sheikh Chilli and he ordered his soldiers to capture the Sheikh Chilli and separate the head from the body. Dhad means body, sir means head. So he ordered you go and catch that Sheikh Chilli and separate the head from the body. Like that the king was ordered. Okay, have you all understanding, no children? Okay. सैनिकों ने शेख चिल्ली को पकड़ लिया और राजा के सामने ले आए. So the soldiers they were caught the Sheikh Chilli and took him in front of the king. तुम क्या बकवास कर रहे थे? राजा ने पूछा. At the time the king was asked, what the hell were you doing? Like that the king was asked to the Sheikh Chilli. Sheikh Chilli ने उत्तर दिया. At the time Sheikh Chilli was replied, महाराज. So महाराज मैं तो केवल झूठ बोल रहा था. महाराज I was just lying. Like that the Sheikh Chilli was said to the king. ये सुनकर राजा को हंसी आ गई. So at the time the king laughed after hearing this. So just he is telling I said lies. Like that when he told no, at the time the king was started laughing. वे शेख चिल्ली की चाल को समझ गए थे. So he was understood Sheikh Chilli's trick. उन्होंने शेख चिल्ली की झूठ के लिए उन्हें 1000 रुपये का इनाम और शाही सम्मान प्रदान किया. So at the time this king he was offered to the Sheikh Chilli 1000 rupees reward and royal honor for lies of the Sheikh Chilli. Okay children, have you all understood this story? Yes, nice story. So what at first the king was, he said no, those who are saying lies, which means those who are proving the lie at the time, I am going to give 1000 rupees reward and royal honor, like that he said no. So Sheikh Chilli he came and he impressed the king by saying the lie. So immediately the king was rewarded with the 1000 rupees and he gave the royal honor to the Sheikh Chilli. Okay children, so have you all understood this one? Okay, if you are having any doubt you can ask. Now we are going to see the exercise of this lesson. So already we had seen the meanings of this lesson. So I told in the last class only, everyone see and write the meanings in your classwork notebook. Now we are going to see the exercise in that इन प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. So these are the questions, you will get 3 or more sentences. So it is very difficulty to write to you and it is difficulty to learn. So for that we made like as a one word questions. Okay children, so don't write these things. So here I am showing our own questions, so you can write these questions. Okay children, so write these questions in your classwork notebook. So first question, राजा ने क्या घोषणा करवाई? So the king, what he was announced, okay, what he made to announce in his kingdom. What? Those who are saying lies, okay, so for them the king going to give the reward of 1000 rupees and royal honor also. Okay, so like that he made to announce in his kingdom. So that is the answer. उत्तर, जो आदमी सबसे बड़ा झूठा साबित होगा उसे 1000 रुपये इनाम और शाही सम्मान दिया जाएगा. यही घोषणा राजा ने करवाई. So those who proves to be the biggest liar, they will be given a 1000 rupees reward and royal honor. Like that the king was made announcement in his kingdom. Okay children, now come we'll see the second question. कौन सी प्रतियोगिता राजा ने रखी थी? What type of the competition Raja, the king, was kept in his kingdom? What type of the competition he kept in his kingdom? Yes, lying competition. Okay. उत्तर, झूठ बोलने की प्रतियोगिता राजा ने रखी थी. So lying competition only Raja kept in his kingdom. Next, third one, किस गांव में तरबूज के आकार के ओले पड़े हैं? So in which village, like as a watermelon sized hailstones are fallen? In which village? Can anyone remember that name? Yes, it was in Faridabad. So फरीदाबाद में तरबूज के आकार के ओले पड़े हैं. ओले means hail. Okay. So Faridabad में, in the Faridabad village, the hailstones were sized of watermelon was fallen down. Next, question number 4. राजा को किस पर क्रोध आ गया? So at last this king, on whom he got the angry? To whom he got the angry? To Sheikh Chilli. So राजा को Sheikh Chilli पर क्रोध आ गया. So the king got angry on the Sheikh Chilli. So these are the 4 questions. Everyone see and write in your classwork notebook. Okay, don't write that questions which one we are having book back exercise. Okay, write these things only. Come repeat with me everyone. सब लोग मेरे साथ दोहराइए बच्चों. राजा ने क्या घोषणा करवाई? उत्तर, जो आदमी सबसे बड़ा झूठा साबित होगा उसे 1000 रुपये इनाम और शाही सम्मान दिया जाएगा. यही घोषणा राजा ने करवाई. वन मोर टाइम, राजा ने क्या घोषणा करवाई? उत्तर, जो आदमी सबसे बड़ा झूठा साबित होगा उसे 1000 रुपये इनाम और शाही सम्मान दिया जाएगा। यही घोषणा राजा ने करवाई। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, कौन सी प्रतियोगिता राजा ने रखी थी? उत्तर, झूठ बोलने की प्रतियोगिता राजा ने रखी थी। वन मोर टाइम, कौन सी प्रतियोगिता राजा ने रखी थी? उत्तर, झूठ बोलने की प्रतियोगिता राजा ने रखी थी। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, किस गांव में तरबूज के आकार के ओले पड़े हैं? उत्तर, फरीदाबाद में तरबूज के आकार के ओले पड़े हैं। वन मोर टाइम, किस गांव में तरबूज के आकार के ओले पड़े हैं? उत्तर, फरीदाबाद में तरबूज के आकार के ओले पड़े हैं। नेक्स्ट फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, राजा को किस पर क्रोध आ गया? उत्तर, राजा को शेख चिल्ली पर क्रोध आ गया। वन मोर टाइम, राजा को किस पर क्रोध आ गया? उत्तर, राजा को शेख चिल्ली पर क्रोध आ गया। Okay children, so see and write these question and answers in your classwork notebook. Now come to the book back exercise. निम्नलिखित शब्दों से वाक्य बनाइए. Now we have to frame the sentence by using the word. Use the following words in sentences. First one is घोषणा. घोषणा means what? Announcement. So for that here प्रधानमंत्री ने नए नियमों की घोषणा की. So the Prime Minister he was announced the new rules. नए नियमों की घोषणा की. Like that only. Second one is सम्मान. सम्मान means respect. So always teachers and principal ma'am everybody are saying give the respect to the elders. बड़ों का सम्मान करना हमारी परंपरा है. Our tradition is we have to give the respect to the elders. Okay, बड़ों का सम्मान करना हमारी परंपरा है. Next, स्वागत. स्वागत means what? Welcome. Okay, राजा ने मेहमानों को दिल से स्वागत किया. So wholeheartedly the king was welcome to the relatives. Okay, मेहमान means relatives. राजा ने मेहमानों को दिल से स्वागत किया. नेक्स्ट, संपन्न. भारत आर्थिक रूप से संपन्न राष्ट्र है. संपन्न मीन्स लाइक एज अ रिच. ओके, सो आवर कंट्री इज ऑल्सो आर्थिक रूप से विच मीन्स फाइनेंशियली दिस आवर कंट्री इज ऑल्सो रिच ओनली. नेक्स्ट, इनाम. इनाम मीन्स व्हाट? रिवार्ड. शेख चिल्ली को इनाम के रूप में 1000 रुपये प्राप्त हुए. सो शेख चिल्ली he got the reward 1000 rupees. नेक्स्ट, क्रोध. क्रोध से बचना ही अच्छा है. सो वी हैव टू एस्केप फ्रॉम द एंग्री. दैट इज गुड फॉर अस. ओके, इफ वी आर इन एंग्री एट द टाइम व्हाट वी आर टेलिंग we don't know. Why? Because in angry mood. So that's why when we are getting angry at the time it is better to quiet. Okay, no need to give the answer, no need to give any response. Okay children, so when we are in angry just we have to sit quietly. That is better. Next, have you all understood? So these are the frame sentences. Next, see and write this thing also in the textbook page number 14. Next one, निम्नलिखित वाक्यों को जोड़कर लिखिए. Match and write meaningful sentences in the space given. So first one, बहुत समय पहले. So which means long ago. Next one, वहाँ मैंने. There I am. Next, third one, यह राजा मूर्ख हूँ. So this राजा is also fool. Okay. So here a का भी मूर्ख है. So यह राजा मूर्खों का भी मूर्ख है. This राजा is a fool of the fool. Fools of the fool. नेक्स्ट, वहां मैंने हाथी के आकार के चूहे देखे. There I had seen the elephant size of the rats. Next, बहुत समय पहले, long ago, एक राजा था. One king was there. Okay, so like this. First one, बहुत समय पहले एक राजा था. From 1 to A, give the number here 1 and write complete sentence. बहुत समय पहले एक राजा था. So see and write. Don't write any spelling mistakes. वहाँ मैंने हाथी के आकार के चूहे देखे. There I had seen the elephant size of the rats. Next, third one. ये राजा मूर्खों का भी मूर्ख है. This raja is a fools of the fool. Like that, the Sheikh Chilli was said. No. So just see and write these things. Next, come to the next page, page number 15. Write the following. वचन बदलिए. Change the gender. No. Change the number. Write the following nouns in the plural form. So he is asking to write that nouns in the plural form. So घोषणा, घोषणाएं, which means announcement, announcements. चूहा, we know this thing. चूहे. भैंस, भैंसे. सेना, सेनाएं. आर्मी, आर्मीज. प्रतियोगिता, प्रतियोगिताएं. बेटी, बेटियां. शादी, शादियां. शादी means what? Marriage. शादियां means marriages. रानी, रानियां. Queen, queens. Everyone repeat with me, ma. घोषणा, घोषणाएं. चूहा, चूहे. भैंस, भैंसे. सेना, सेनाएं. प्रतियोगिता, प्रतियोगिताएं. बेटी, बेटियां. शादी, शादियां. रानी, रानियां. One more time. घोषणा, घोषणाएं. चूहा, चूहे. भैंस, भैंसे. सेना, सेनाएं. प्रतियोगिता, प्रतियोगिताएं. बेटी, बेटियां. शादी, शादियां. रानी, रानियां. Okay children, so do the practice with the help of this video. इनके विलोम शब्द लिखिए. Write the opposite words. So राजा, king. रंक, servant. झूठा, liar. सच्चा, honest. Those who are saying truth. संभव, possible. असंभव, impossible. प्रश्न, उत्तर. आदमी, human. राक्षस, monster. मित्र, friend. शत्रु, enemy. मूर्ख, fool. समझदार, clever. इनाम, reward. सजा, punishment. Okay, so everyone start say with me, ma. Raja. Rank, already we had learned this one in 4th standard. झूठा, सच्चा. संभव, असंभव. प्रश्न, उत्तर. आदमी, राक्षस. मित्र, शत्रु. मूर्ख, समझदार. इनाम, सजा. One more time. राजा, रंक. झूठा, सच्चा. संभव, असंभव. प्रश्न, उत्तर. आदमी, राक्षस. मित्र, शत्रु. मूर्ख, समझदार. इनाम, सजा. Okay children, so write these things with the pencil in your textbook. No need to write in the classwork notebook. In classwork notebook you write just meanings and question and answers. That is enough. Next, अनेकार्थक शब्द. Words with more than one meaning, which means synonyms. Okay, जिन शब्दों के एक से अधिक अर्थ होते हैं उन्हें अनेकार्थ शब्द कहते हैं. So some words have more than one meaning. For example, are given. Learn more of such words. They are called synonyms. So one word it is having same meaning but the words are different. Okay, so that one we are calling synonyms. So first example it had given ardh. Ardh means varna, dhan, prayojan, matlab, Karan. These are the synonyms. Ardha means one, which means meaning. Okay, difference. Dhan. Ardha means dhan also will be there, which means cash. Prayojan, which means profit. Matlab, which means something will be there. Like that we are saying, no, that one. Karan, reason. Like that only. Ang. Ang means what? Body part. So, ang we are calling deha also. Deha means body. Upay. Upay means upay means trick. Okay. Bhag, run, bhed, gone, vastu. Okay. Gone vastu. Okay. So gone vastu means that fraud things will be there. No, that one is also ang we are calling in Hindi. Like that only kar. Kar means what? Hand. Kar means kiran also, raise. Kar means tax. So we are paying tax, no? GST. So this one is kar we are calling. Hathi ka kar means hathi ka soond. Elephant of the trunk also we are calling kar in Hindi. Next gun. Gun means quality. So for that kaushal, sheel, rasi, swabhav. Okay, so these are also we can call gun. Okay, children. Next. Now, dhan. Dhan means sampatti, which means that rich, that cash those who are having for that dhan. Like that treasure will be there means that one we are calling in Hindi dhan. No? So for dhan, joda. One word. Sampatti. Next, punji. Okay, so these are the synonyms. Joda, sampatti, punji. So these are the synonyms of dhan. Next, ghar. Ghar means what? House. So house synonyms we are having so many, no? Griha, swadesh, janmabhumi. So this one is also ghar synonym. So griha, swadesh, janmabhumi. Okay. अपना घर बुला रहा है विच मीन्स अपना स्वदेश बुला रहा है जन्मभूमि बुला रही है सो लाइक दैट वी कैन कॉल नेक्स्ट दल दल मीन्स ग्रुप समूह सेना पत्ता ओके सो समूह also group also we are calling dal sena army that one is also one group next patta leaves also we can call dal tulasi dal like that we are saying now which means leaf next pani jal Kanti, Ijjat. Okay, so Jal, water, Kanti, which means lightning, Izzat, which means respect. That respect only we are saying. This one is the Urdu word. Next, Sneh. Sneh means friendship. In that, Prem, Komlata, Chikna, Padad. So, it is having soft type of the like as a clay like will be there no chikna padarth that one also we are calling sneha next har means loose mala har which means mala wearing that garland that one also we are calling in Hindi har parajay so losing that one is also we are calling har abhushan jewelry like as a necklace or otherwise haram will be there no that one is also abhushan okay so these are the synonyms of these words everyone see and write in your textbook okay don't write any spelling mistakes write in the neat handwriting okay that question and answers alone you write in the classwork notebook so when you are writing the classwork notebook already previously we had written the meanings I told to write those who are not completed please complete it and write the question and answers now after finishing the session I am going to send that question and answers in assignment session so everyone you can see and write okay so we'll meet in the next session we'll see the new lesson okay children so if you are having any doubt you can ask through comment box okay children thank you all of you धन्यवाद बच्चों हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन